Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Holden Captiva LTZ, stock reference number 5012. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, headlight, left hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, we have the left hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLink touchscreen and media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.